Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, Prince George's County in central Maryland, northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland, Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, south central Howard County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert's County in southern Maryland, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, east central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the eastern city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Fairland to near Lorton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured live objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Bethesda, Bowie, Severn, Annandale, Annapolis, Clinton, Springfield, College Park, Crofton, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Beltsville, Fort Hutt, Groveton, Forestville, Falls Church, and Huntington. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat is past. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Tangier Sound, and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 6:15 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 13 nautical miles north of Cambridge to 17 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly high wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Flag Harbor, Drum Point, Choptank River, James Island,